Hi guys, welcome back with me again, and I'm going to show you how to import fonts into the CapCut PC. So first you just need to download the font, or if you already download, you can just watch what I did now. So I'm going to download first on the thefont.com and just find the font that you want to import. To download first, click on download and download it to your computer. Okay, so after it finished downloading, just open the folder and let's extract the file first because the file is compressed. So I'm going to just click on extract. Okay, so now the font has been installed on my computer or my computer system. Just click on install. And now the font is installing, and just wait until it's fully installed on my computer. And now it's done. Just close it, and now you need to open the CapCut app. So I suggest you don't open CapCut first, but first download the font on your browser. Okay, so now the my CapCut has been opened, and I'm going to just, open any project on my CapCut PC. And if you already installed the font like I did on my computer, it will automatically import it or add it to the CapCut PC. So I'm going to just find the font that I installed before. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this text, and I want to change to the font that I installed before. So here I'm going to find it. So just scroll down like this. So to find the font is a little bit tricky, so you need to search for it carefully like this. You need to scroll down one by one until you find the system font section. So I'm going to scroll down. So this is the system font, and this is the Grooven font that I installed before. You can see now it will automatically import it to CapCut PC if you already install it on your computer. So just click on that. So please remember to find the system font sections on the font box in here. Then you'll find the font that you import before. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks.